Boom, what's up everybody? So I'm back here and we're gonna go over the part 3 of my first 15 things to do after a fresh install of Manjaro. And we're gonna be installing RKHUNTER and we're gonna install Firejail, and I'm gonna show you how to get the Windows fonts. Again, there's no webcam, so I can't film myself doing this. Just haven't gotten around to it. There will be one more part to this, which I'm gonna get to after this. But without any further ado, let's just get to it. So first thing you need to do, just open up, go to console, or you could alt spacebar and type in. I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger here by Control and plus. First thing you want to do is just type in sudo pacman -s, and you can see RKHUNTER. So space RKHUNTER, hit S, type in your password. It's gonna ask you if you're sure you want to install it. Yes. Okay, so it's installed. In this case, I reinstalled because I did this once before here. So now we gotta set this up here. So we gotta do RKHUNTER -- so prop up D. Hit enter. It's gonna go through and just check your system, and it says file update, search 74 files and found 121. That's good. So now that it knows or what we have on there, we can go RKHUNTER -- check -sk. So this means it's gonna scan your entire system and check for malware backdoors, that sort of stuff. And this just means skip keys, so you don't have to press yes enter for every section. And of course you're gonna have to have sudo. So it's gonna run through it. Once it's done, I'll come back. I'll just fast forward through this. Cool, so we're back. You can see here it took 1 minute and 16 seconds, and it found possible 6 rootkits and checked 409. So suspect file 0. Okay, so if you go up here, you can go through it like this, or you can take this log output and just Control Shift C to copy that, and then you can type in less and then Control Shift V, and we have to have sudo again. Sudo. Now we get it here, we can read it. So again, we just see everything here. Scroll down, and what you're looking for is out here is warning. Let's see if I can find one of the 6 here. Here we go. I saw a warning in here. There we go. So checking. This will produce a warning. You can go into your SSH config file and set this so it's not. It will go good. Then we have another one here. Check for hidden files and directories. It's a warning because there's always going to be hidden files like these ones here and here. And then we have, so we only had a few, and these are normal. These ones right here and down here. So you're pretty much good to go there. And now every time you update or install something, you can run this, and I will use this first one as the base. And if you wanted to whitelist something, you can go like, usually I've already whitelisted it, that's why it didn't come up. But if you go to so CD for change directory, etc, then RKHUNTER, oh, we got a not CD, so vim or sudo vim etc rkhunter.conf. You can go in here and you just go down till you find script whitelist =/user/bin/groups, and then you can paste these in, and I'll leave the link from the Arch Wiki forum to what these are if you want to read more on it. So now that's done, with that out of the way, now we're gonna install Firejail. So sudo pacman-s, capital S, and then Firejail. We're gonna hit yes. This is a sandboxing program. I really like this. It has a couple of quirks. Sometimes it breaks the sound, so you would have to log out, log back in, or reboot the system to get your sound working again. So the first thing we want to do is to try and fix that sound problem. So that would be fire cfg -- fix sound. I can't spell or type here. CFG. So fire CFG -- fix sound. Hit it. It says it's writing the file to here, and it's configured. Please log back out and log back in again. So I'm gonna do that really quick. Go here, there, log out. Okay. So now I can log back in again. Okay, we're gonna open up terminal again, or console here. And now we're gonna type in sudo fire cfg. And this will integrate Firejail into your desktop. So with Vivaldi, so you don't have to open up your console or shell and type in fire cfg Vivaldi -stable and stuff to. It's just gonna open everything in a sandbox for the most part. So I'll leave the GitHub page link in the description below so you can read up on it if you want to. But sudo fire cfg, enter your password. Here you can see everything that it's created a symlink for right now, which is gonna put these things into a sandbox if you just go in here and start it from here or type it in from here. And here's a bunch of stuff he has removed the symlink for, okay, because we don't have it. So that's good. The way you would use this is Firejail and then Vivaldi stable if you didn't do this. So now it's gonna run through this and open up Vivaldi for you. Or you can just now go here and it's already in a sandbox. Cool. The last thing we're gonna do on this video here is we're gonna install the Microsoft fonts. So we're gonna go sudo pamac install ttf-ms-fonts space ttf-vist. It's supposed to be Vista. If I can find my A, Vista-fonts. And then we can hit enter. And now it's gonna check and see if you really wanted to build these. Hit yes. And if everything goes well, it should be able to do it and install them. And you can see the progress is doing down here. There you can see the transaction is successfully finished. It took 1 minute and 46 seconds. And so now you can find your Windows fonts in the LibreOffice right, and I should be able to find it in here once you've installed it, okay? But that's it. So if you like this tutorial, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you get updated on the last part of this series coming out, hopefully very soon after this. And I'll see you all next time.